Katie with Kansas Hydrographics. We are here to show you our blue jeans print. It is a 50 centimeter. Blue, gold, and transparent. Most of the, well, the only gold really is on the buttons there. A little bit of the tag. Kind of reminds me of like a 90s country club. There's that famous train. I don't know if you can hear it. We finally got me a microphone because I'm not very loud, and that train is, so. We're using 1 minute soak time Hydrogator activator. You can use Hydrogator or Hydrovator with any of our film. And this does have, I mean, it's a faded jean look. It is, and that's what makes me think of a 90s country club. It's not a, I don't know how to explain it. It's a faded jeans. It almost kind of makes the film, when you look at the film, it looks like it's faded or old, but it's not. It's just the print. So anyway, that will be in the miscellaneous section. And of course, you can find that at kansashydrographics.com. Thank you guys, and we'll see you next time.